Hello, kindergarten. It's me, Mr. Proft, America's YouTube sweetheart, your student, whether you're in my class or Miss Dano's class. Your student brought home this week's homework today. It should be in their backpack. I'm going to go over the instructions because some of it might not make a lot of sense at first blush. So just a reminder, though, the homework is due this Friday, September 23rd. And I want to go over some of the instructions just so you understand what your student is being asked to do. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. There we go. So there's the homework packet. And again, it's due back on Friday. If we look at the first page, all last week we practiced the letters A and the letters T. So what your student is going to do is they're going to trace some A's, trace. They're going to trace some lowercase a's, trace. They're going to trace some uppercase and some lowercase t's. And if they could also make some on their own too, that would be great. So they're going to trace and then write some a's and some t's. Then we have a little letter search. They're going to color in every box that has an A or a T in it. So that's an A. So I want to color that box. That's not an A. That is an A. Ooh, that's an A there. That's not. Ooh, this one's a T, right? I want to color A's and T's. That's a T. That's an A. So they're going to color all the boxes that have A's and T's. Then down here, 3 times, they're going to practice writing their name. And my name is Mr. Proft. They're going to do that 1, 2, 3 times. Then over here, they're going to practice again, making some A's, making some T's. They're going to circle all the A's and T's. Like that's a T, that's an A. Ooh, that's a T. That's an A. Is that an A? It might be, but that's a T. So we're circling A's and T's. Down here, we're going to match the words that rhyme. Fox rhymes with box. So we're going to connect those. Hat rhymes with cat. And run rhymes with sun. You may have to, you're almost certainly going to have to read these words to them and help them with this part. But words rhyme if they have the same ending, right? Fox and box both end in ox. Run and sun both end in un, right? So they're going to match the words that rhyme. Over here, we're going to draw a line from the picture to the letter that it starts with. Turtle, does that start with a T or an A? Well, I think it starts with a T, so we're going to connect that. A, apple starts with A, so we're going to draw a line to the picture that it starts with. Here we're going to write some missing letters. It's all going to be A and T, right? That's a cat, A, T, cat. And if you see, the boxes are kind of shaped like the letters that want to fit into them. That's an R, A, T, rat. That's a H, A, T. So we're just filling in the missing letters. It's all AT, and AT are the letters we worked on this week. Again, we're going to connect the words that rhyme. Over here, if you want to read them this poem, this is a poem that we're going to be working on this week in class called Alligator and Tern. Again, an A and a T. And they should go through and circle all the A's and all the T's. Circle all the A's and all the T's. Practicing writing our name again. Here we're going to write some numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Practicing writing the numbers. Here we're going to count the objects and then circle how many there are. Well, let's see. I've got 1, 2, 3 smiley faces. So I'm going to circle the number 3. Count the suns, circle how many there are. Count the hearts, circle how many there are. Count the moons, circle how many. Count the triangles, circle how many. Count, ooh, these aren't together, but there's still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them, and circle how many. Same thing here. Count how many seals, color in how many there are. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 seals. How many popcorns, how many little ringmasters, lions, stages, balloons, and that's it. There you go. So your student should do a little bit each day. Please don't have them do it all at once. Research shows that it's best if a student practices a tiny bit each day rather than doing a ton all at once. At least in my class, homework is optional. You don't have to do it, but it is really good practice, and it can help improve what we're doing in class, because this is all stuff that we're working on in class. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me or Miss Dano, and we hope to have that homework back this Friday. All right, there you go. Thank you very much. And Proft is out.